crisis right now. You maybe have a lot of extra tension in your body and your mind, hard to think clearly right now. This exercise is designed to help you calm your body down, to be able to think more rationally, and to be able to solve issues and problems in a calm and respectful, polite manner. So thanks for coming, and let's get started. We're going to breathe in through the nose, we're going to hold, and then we're going to breathe out through the mouth and pause. So that's why we call it box breathing. To start, just find from your ribs, the bottom of your rib cage, put your thumb right in the center, and that's pointing at your diaphragm. And we want to remind people it's not only box breathing, but it's a belly breath. The belly should be fully extended when we've inhaled. Pretty much fully anyway, because we only do 80% of an inhale. So to start, let out all the oxygen in your body now. Let it all out. You can roll your shoulders, you can relax a little bit. It helps if you're sitting, okay, because just in case your legs get too wobbly. So again, you've got your thumb right there pointing at the diaphragm, your hand on your belly. Let's do this together. In through the nose, 80% full. Hold, hold, hold. Exhale through the mouth very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, in through the nose. When we hold, the fibers in the lungs send oxygen to the brain faster. Exhale through the mouth. More carbon dioxide is released, so it's better for the body, better for the plants. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to think about how your body felt before this exercise. And then how it feels at the end. 80% full, remind ourselves of that. Every human on the planet has the ability to reset the body into the green state. The green, yellow, and red, green state, nice and calm. For an advanced part of this deep breathing, you can add words. I'm breathing in, calm. I'm holding on to calm. You can even make the facial expression. I'm exhaling stress and tension. And I'm taking my time. I'm inhaling loving relationships. I'm holding on to that. And I'm exhaling hurtful behavior, hurtful actions. Inhaling repair, healing for the body, holding on to that. Seeing the wounds and the difficulties in my life drift off into the air. So you can see most people report reduction in stress in the shoulders, body feels a little better, and that can be done as many times a day. I encourage people to start this process, do this 20, 30, 40 times a day. Do it whenever you get the chance. Even put little reminders on mirrors or around your wrist. Every time you touch a ring or a bracelet, you do the deep breathing. Every time you pick up a pen, you do the deep breathing. Just remind yourself so you're training your body to do this. That way, when something happens, if anything hits the fan or there's a stressful moment, the body's been trained now to be more likely to respond this way as opposed to, attacking. Take care out there.